I've got something very exciting for you guys. Don't forget, it is Cyber Monday today, the last day that you can get 50% off our Become a Master course with 3 checklist-based trading strategies, easy to follow and easy to execute, as well as 50% off our community subscription, where you'll get to see myself and my trading team doing scans 5 days a week, looking for trading opportunities and creating watch lists for us to then share in that community. The community is full of like-minded traders just like you, people that are trying to get away from the issues of inflation and rising interest rate costs, and just to set themselves free so they can work from, well, anywhere in the world. You can bundle these 2 things together and receive 50% off on the bundle as well. This is your last day to take advantage of our Black Friday sale, our biggest sale of the entire year. You won't see these prices again, so get involved now.